All right, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make a video on the bin, Tableau bin. So it's a very demanding topic, as I can see in the comment section. We are getting a lot of comment for the bin to create a video on the bin and all. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get it started. All right, so I'm using the samples for stored data. First, we will create a bin. As per the condition, is the purchasing capacity of customer by creating a bin. Bin size should be 10, and we have to keep it this format, and blank and null value should be the 0. All right. So first we will create a bin for the cells. To create a bin, from here I will just right click on the cells, go to the create and click on the bins. From here you can write name as per your choice. I'm keeping as it is. And what was our bin size? We needed 10, right? So you can select as up to you. I mean 10, 100, 1000, it's all up to you. So I'm doing as per the condition. I will select 10. Just click OK. And this bin, so as you can see here, the bin has been created, and this bin we will drag it from here to the column section, and the cells I will drag it from here to the row field. So I will change the measure from here as a count. So go to the measure and select count. So our count has been created. There is a two way to create a this condition here. You can do one to copy and do that, but I'm going as simple as I can. So I will not do any complex example or complex way to show you. So okay, so now as you can see, our customer count has been come. Now we will drag just again the cells from here to the label. So as you can see here, that this is some empty here, right? The sum of the bar doesn't showing the value. So avoid this mistake. So just what we have to do, first we will format this part. Just go to the format. From here, what you will do, go to the alignment pane. Then you can do the customization according to you and make it the bigger size. Okay, then you will click here. Okay. Now what we will do, I will just drag a cells from here to the label. Oh, just yeah, and I will change it as a count, measure as a count, and the quick table calculation as a percentage. Okay, and then again we will drag a cells from here to the label. And now as you can see, this is our cells has been come, the percentage has been come. I will change it to the count. So this was your question, right? This is what you want. From here you can do the customization according to you, like percentage. I'll keep it as a red color, or you can increase the size, and this what you call this cells count, we will keep it as a blue color, or whatever color you like. It's all up to you. I will change it little bit bigger size, and we will keep okay. Okay, if you want, you can do the little bit more formatting. It's all up to you. Modification also according to your choice. Go to the apply and press okay. So you will get your value like that also. All right, so you can do the more editing, like I will keep bar as a green color. Okay, there is one more thing I forgot about. So as per your condition, see it's written here, right? So blank and null value, then the bar chart should show 0. If there is any null or blank value, it should show 0, right? So just go to here count, drag down, just go to the formatting. So you will see here the this text, this text section. You can see here the text and blank. So we will write here 0. Okay, so if there is any null or blank value is there, it will come as a 0. Okay, in our case there is no any null and blank value, so it's not showing there. So you can keep it like that. Okay, so I hope this answer will satisfy you. Till then, happy learning.